we'll make our way to Namibia. Comment section says, Masia lied in court. Like, if we were to count, how many state witnesses lied in court? Oh my God. Oh, McDonald, you're back. Sorry. I wasn't looking at my screen. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I shouldn't say McDonald. I think it was Tepo. Tepo, welcome aboard.
Yes, hey, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. Are you getting feedback? Do you hear me okay? Do I have to go on mute?
No, I can hear you clearly.
Awesome. Let us know where you're joining us from.
I'm from Rustenburg.
Rustenburg in
Yeah.
the building.
So yeah, I've been right. It has been a while. I'm also like I'm an edit on this case. I don't want to lie. This case, yes. Sometimes I do wake up at
Tepo, we
night.
can't hear you. Can
You
you
can't hear
speak
me.
in? I can hear you now. Right now, I can hear you because you're speaking really low.
Oh, can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. This, as I was saying, like I'm like a edit on this case.
You're like a
Like
what? Sorry.
I'm like a nyaupe on this case.
Okay. He's like a Yelp addict. Okay, you're addicted to the case. Why are you addicted to the case? Do you get a
Yo,
high or you're finding a
firstly,
high?
like I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, number one.
Firstly, what?
I'm an Orlando Pirates supporter.
Orlando Pirates. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, so this is
So
personal.
man, this case is killing us. Like emotionally, it's draining. And then like what the state is showing us, man. I would say simply says if you are an ordinary South African who's not rich, anything
Mm,
can be done with you.
say that
Like you
again.
can be blamed for any rich person's guilt, if I may say.
Yeah,
Firstly, if I may say, like I work in the mining industry, Baba, and
yeah.
concerning accused number two, he
So
was
you can
obviously
relate
working.
to him.
Yes. So imagine you are working for your family, and
You
then
know what,
someone
Tepo?
just
You know what, Tepo? Did you
yes.
hear Nisi when he said, Ukulumela pants? Speak into
Hey,
tone. Because you're dropping some good stuff, but I'm not hearing you very, very clearly.
oh
Can
my
you guys
God.
hear me? Maybe it's just me.
Let me try some. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Thank
Okay.
you.
Firstly, uh, let's go to the night of the incident. The police came, Musia came. No one saw anything. No one saw anything behind the glass jars.
Mm.
And now they're trying to the following day, who is Mohlato saw some projectiles back there. I mean, come on, guys, we are not stupid.
Actually, let me pause you right there. Where have you ever seen a crime scene that is not sealed off? And Kelly
Exactly, because
Kumalo and the entire
going
family
off.
can drive back from the hospital and go back in and see the hat. Does that? I don't know. Maybe only in South Africa. I've never heard of that. Why was the crime scene not sealed off and no one given access to it?
It's a first. Like Mrs. said, everything about this case is the first.
Yeah,
It
Nisi
really
said
is
it
the
right.
first. And then now our 1920 judge comes and becomes an expert. Like he's an expert witness, prosecutor, whatever. What the guys, we've been watching court cases, we've never seen something like
it's literally not like you can wait 10 days to see another court case. You literally flip to the next courtroom
Yeah,
and you already feel the peace and the breath of fresh air. But you mentioned something which really, really, it always tugs at my heart. It feels like if you are poor, you are guilty.
exactly,
And is that right? If you are poor, you therefore have to be charged for the crimes of the rich. So
exactly. Yo,
it shouldn't be a crime to be poor. But somehow, but if the rich lived their lives well and didn't shoot each other with their guns that they shouldn't be having in possession,
exactly,
then they wouldn't
exactly.
have to look for scapegoats in the poor. And this, I believe, is why it is such a divided resolution with regard to the Senzo Meyiwa trial. And the state still has not brought us any evidence that is not circumstantial. Circumstantial.
There is no evidence whatsoever. There is no evidence. The DNA expert excluded the guys. Now the judge is trying to say it's inconclusive. What is he trying to say? What is
DNA,
it?
it, the eyewitnesses are not eyewitnessing. The DNA has cleared them. The description doesn't match. If they're saying Bongani Danzi, I'm not an expert in knowing who and who shouldn't be an intruder, but if they're saying Bongani Danzi was the intruder on that day, then the intruder business must shut down. It's not very successful. Kelly Kumalo underpaid them. She paid them 100,000 rands, and
You
Moanin
know,
Danzi pocketed. I mean, look at how they're sitting in court. Okay, there's Moses Sibia on his own. No, with Muzi Sibia and Bongani Danzi together. Okay,
mm,
even though Muzi's uncle is on the other side, accused number 4. Then there's accused number
mm,
3, 4, and 5, who look like, at any time they can just pull out that mess and it's over for you. Okay, but those guys are guilty of being criminals. And then you're
yo,
telling me those 3, Bongani Danzi, came back from the house with the plastic with the things in it and the one cell phone. And then they said, okay, tomorrow when we meet again, we'll give you 40,000. Do they look like guys who are generous to give Bongani Danzi
imagine
40,000? But today they
an
can't talk to him
amateur,
in
an
court.
amateur.
40,000 goes to Bongani Danzi, and the rest, amongst the 4 of them, they have to split 60,000. So they got
Come
less
on.
than 15,000 each. I don't know. My math is not mathing, but that sounds to me like, wow,
Funny
what?
enough, I didn't know much about gunsling, but there was one clip when Guruji said, the witnesses in the house, the gun with the weed. I didn't know guns, but I know that gun doesn't take out projectiles. I know that for, but guys, this
So
is
there's
gonna
no
be blasted.
projectiles. There's yeah, that's the other thing. So I cannot wait for their ballistic expert to come up because he's going to tell us if they're
Sometimes,
casings or not.
sometimes, sometimes I wish I was rich, man. I would find them Zulu to take number two's case. I wish. Yo,
Yeah. Number
it's
2
killing
has
us.
pulled a lot of heartstrings.
So,
But you
rich
brought
guys,
up
let's
some
just
great points. So first of all, when did you start following the case? How long have you been watching?
yo since Maumela,
Ah, yes, yes, you did say. Okay, so you watched Tefo
since
Inking
Maumela,
the
and then I'm
Crown.
regretting, like I wish I had from Boxback. Just that I didn't study from Boxback. But
Mm,
when I saw that clip from Boxback, I felt
the
sorry for
Boxburg
Ntazi.
clip.
Like that judge, man, yo, who was presiding there. Like, yo, my blood
Yep.
boils.
They really tried. And I think we wouldn't have gone this far. The state would have actually saved so much. Um, I'm laughing because Nobubonga says you're late 1 hour and 25 minutes. Askis. Did you have to give him that detail? But guess what? There's gonna be a replay. I'll leave this up for the replay,
Yeah, but
gang. Make sure you
lastly,
catch the replay.
I'm
Yeah.
I'm happy I'm not following mainstream media because those guys they are fooling us if I may say. I don't want to be petty and talk nice about it. They are fooling us. Yeah. So I'm just happy that
Um,
you guys are following the case, giving us an honest opinion about the case. So we gotta keep on supporting you guys. Like keep on pushing. Let's follow the case up until the end. That's all I can say. But the five accused are not guilty. Simple as that.
And there you have it, the final words from Utsepo McDonald in Rustenburg. Okay, Mzansi, please make sure you like the video. It has been a joy to have you here today. We've been live for over an hour, 30 minutes. I'm always so shy to push that start live stream button, but once we get started, you guys get me talking and comfortable. And this is just so much fun than sitting and editing a video alone. I'm getting live reactions, so I love this. Shout out to Clantis, okay? Shout out to Clantis, who's like, do it, go live. I'm like, no, I don't want to do it. Shout out to Clantis. Let me quickly read through the rest of the comments. And where did we stop in the comment section? Wind Winston is watching from Namibia as well. If there's one thing about Namibia, they're right here in the comment section, and I love it for us. We also have Jeremiah. Okay, Jeremiah says, no, 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 we are not related. You must deny your family member. Okay, don't deny a family member. All we want is, for him to just bring the case as it is. Thanks for joining, Jeremiah. Absolutely love it when you do. All state witnesses lied. And that is from William. William says all, every single one. There's none. Let me see if there's one that I possibly. Let me see. I'm going through the list. No, I don't have one where I can say, sorry. Pinky, honestly, guys, I started off thinking Pinky was the one. I really did. Till she started talking about the cell phone tires, and then the tech guys showed up in the comment section. Shout out to the tech guys in the comment section. Boo, 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 boo. Thank you for educating us and telling us and showing us that, Pinky, what you talking about. Pinky, there is no way that the tower when you move from tower A and you arrive in a different location, your 205 still shows the first tower. You got to stop it, Pinky. You got to stop it. We now know what it is. Okay? You, I always see you in the comment section. Today's a good time to ask, how do I say your name? Agnesia? Agnes? No, that's not Agnes. Please tell me how to pronounce your name. Good evening, and welcome. We're about to close off. Vico, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please give the video a like. And our last and final comment of the day is Unumvula. Okay, I love your name. Please check a clip. Okay. I love homework. I love it when you guys give me homework. Make sure you give me homework. Please check a clip. Let me put it on the screen because this deserves a highlight. Please check a clip where Rata asks if the DNA results are inconclusive. The expert said no. But Rata said, wait a minute. Oh, you see? He's arguing with an expert. The expert said no, they're not inconclusive, but Rata once said that the results were inconclusive. Oh my God. Oh my God, Mzansi. And that is our final comment of the day. If you've been here from start to finish, please drop a 6 in the comment section because oh my God, you are the VIP, you are the VVVIP. William says the question we should ask. What is the question, William? What is the question before we sign off? Vico has been here from, oh my God, you are definitely VIP status. Thank you so much. Oh, this is going to be up. I'm going to leave it up. Okay. If you guys don't like it, if you guys are not enjoying it, I'm just going to pull it down. Okay. Put it on private. So make sure you catch it. Make sure you watch it. Make sure you comment. Most importantly, make sure you share the video because guess what? This is how the tech guys got this video. Did you hear that they're also doing case studies? I want my videos featured and played and beamed in these universities and law classes. So please share my videos so more people know about the channel, okay? Because I want everybody to call this home. I absolutely love it when you do. So let me know. I'm going to drop off now so that, we can do another live. The question we should all ask ourselves is, why this judge? Ooh, why Judge Rata? We are going to close it off with that. That is everybody's homework, everybody's assignment. We will gather here, same place, same time, same back channel, and we'll start off with that question. Bring your answers tomorrow. Why this judge? Why Rata? Oh my God. Ooh, why is this sounding controversial, Vico? All right, so I'm going to sign us out. I'm going to play us. Ooh, what should we play so we can close off the video nicely? Okay, we're trying to be professional. Let me close you off with this clip.
Closer to finding the answers.
Yeah. Iqiniso lizovela ujaji lo khona ngiyamthemba since ngalandela ama cases abewenza ngawabona ukuthi wawudila kanjani nawo umuntu ongayithathi nonsense umuntu straight straightforward ubaba udecent ijustice yakholwa ukuthi izokwenzeka looking forward.
Oh, please, I need defense email. If you have it, I have many questions they can put to Pinky that will expose her. Come to my DMs on Instagram. Come to my DMs on Instagram. And don't just come to my DMs, guys. Please follow me on Instagram. I want to try on that app, okay? Please follow me over there as well. Zozo, the answers are tomorrow. We can't give the answers in advance. Okay, so I will catch you all. No, you've been here from the beginning. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait. I know I played the clip for Senzo Meyiwa, but he said something. I was like, wait, how come I never heard it that way? Which judge is he referring to? I'm gonna play it again.
Closer to finding the answers.
Yeah. Iqiniso lizovela ujaji lo khona ngiyamthemba since ngalandela ama cases abewenza ngawabona ukuthi wawudila kanjani nawo umuntu ongayithathi nonsense umuntu straightforward ubaba udecent ijustice yakholwa ukuthi izokwenzeka looking forward.
Met your friend the other day.
Last night I had a dream of us coming together. Last night in my dream I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy, and I felt safe. East to the west and south to the north, people were living in peace, seeing the eyes of justice everywhere. Every land was thriving with love and prosperity. And I woke up asking myself, I woke up asking myself, why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we? Last night, I dreamt of an end to poverty. All nations were growing, all nations stood strong. Smiles of understanding between one another. Politics and music belong to the people again. Equal rights spread amongst all shapes and colors. People were building a beautiful and stable home. Last night, in my dream I saw humanity, and I woke up asking myself,